we got?
Steak, mushrooms, and steak fries.
Steak, mushrooms, and more steak fries.
Oh.
Go ahead. I was gonna show the new air fryer.
Oh,
go ahead.
okay, yeah. You can. But I was gonna say, and we gotta get some bubbly for Jason's celebration. So, steak and champagne.
So she got this new air fryer from, where'd you get it? Aldi? From Aldi today. I don't know how to pronounce that. Ambiano or something. Ambiano? Something.
Something like that.
How'd it work?
Air fryer.
She did it on the fries tonight. It worked pretty well?
Perfect.
Cool.
Awesome.
So our first air fryer that we've ever used, right? You've never used one?
No.
I've definitely never used one. And yeah, so we're celebrating tonight. This is my last, today was my last day. Don't hit me with that. Today was my last day at my job as an airframe and power plant mechanic. And starting on Monday, I'm a director of maintenance for a private owner. So we're gonna celebrate. All right, so we're on our way to Savannah. Stopped at Buc-ee's real quick, favorite gas station, so we had to make a stop. On our way to Savannah, we're gonna go see the kids, go pick them up. We're gonna head to downtown Savannah, obviously. I think we're gonna go to Tybee Island too. I want to try to get some drone footage of the sunset one of these nights this weekend. There's a pretty cool spot where you can see, sometimes depending on the tide, you can see the sandbar. There's a sandbar out on Tybee, and then also the sunset. So hopefully that goes as planned and we can get that. And then downtown Savannah, get some better footage from our last video from downtown. So we'll see how it goes. Learning this YouTube thing, so hopefully this video will be a little bit better. I just caught myself, I'm trying to look into the lens and not at the screen of whatever camera I'm using. So it's a learning process that Kristel and I are both trying to figure out. So stay tuned, enjoy the video. Hopefully some good Tybee footage with the drone. That'll be my first time actually doing sunset footage at the beach. This will be at Tybee Island, and hopefully it turns out good. Savannah. Got the kids loaded up. Time to go have
We're just waiting on our food.
Maddie, where are we at?
Tybee.
Tybee Island?
Uh-huh.